Hello guys, I'm posting this new unboxing video. I've already unboxed it, so I'm just going to take the wrap off and present to you. I know that this has been already posted. Sorry, excuse me. There are already unboxing videos about this, actually about this version of this, but I'm so excited because I've already heard it a couple of times, actually on Spotify. The new Blind Guardian album, The God Machine. This beautiful artwork, amazing, looks beautiful. Let's see. Says here, from beyond the spheres, Metal Masters Blind Guardian return with their 11th studio opus, The God Machine. Perfectly unites heaviness, epic arrangements, and majestic melodies. Limited edition 2 CD Earbook with 3 bonus tracks and instrumental versions. Alright, let's check it out. I think the album sounds amazing. Actually, they've just released a new video today. I guess it was the, let's see, Life Beyond the Spheres. That's the new video that they've released today. Actually, I watched it today early in the morning before going to work, and well, it's actually really good, really nice. So let's see, here are both CDs. Actually, they've already presented this. I guess it was Hansi and Andre. They did a video presentation about all the versions, all the editions. This is amazing. I love this design. It's just awesome. It's awesome. And the artwork on this, it's absolutely beautiful. As you can see, look, this is gorgeous. I mean, so awesome. Photo, looking sharp, right? Sharp dress, man. Look at that, amazing, right? I'm actually so happy to finally have this with me. You know, I love. Oops, sorry about that. I love blind gardening, actually. So yeah. Sorry, a little bit silly here. A little bit of big mess. And we're done. So once again, that image. I mean, that will look beautiful on a tattoo. Yes, that's the end. So, Blind Guardian, the God Machine. Hope you liked the video. Please press like if you will, and hope you give me an opinion about this new Blind Guardian release. What do you think about it? I mean, I know that some people were not. I mean, a lot of people did like Beyond the Red Mirror. I I loved it. I loved the album. It was a little bit softer, maybe, than what I expected, and of course the Blind Guardian Twilight Orchestra, Legacy of the Darklands, which is something completely different. But uh, the God Machine, I think that it really stands. You know, it's a very nice, heavy album. It's a good one. All right, so see you later. Take care.